friends, and welcome back to my channel. You know how it is. Every month or so I have to go to Sephora or make a Sephora order, and this month was no different. So I wanted to share with you a few of the things that I purchased. So I purchased the commodity perfume in the scent Paper. And this is one that I had a sample of, and I just want to continue to try it because I really liked it. And of course, with your Sephora package, you always get a couple of good samples. And so I got 2 perfume samples. And of course, a staple for me is the Shiseido wipes. And so I just did a re-up of those. Something funny about, this particular order, I shouldn't say funny, it was such a blessing. Of course, you get the 2 samples, but I also got a lot of other stuff, which I'll talk about. I did a re-up of the Fenty body butter, the original formula. I did get an opportunity to get my hands on the limited edition, so I have that one also, but I completely ran out of the original, so I just went ahead and got another one. I also, for the first time, bought the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa. Is that how you say it? And I love the scent of this. So here's the stuff that I was saying I didn't even get. I actually only purchased 4 items from Sephora this time, and I got 2 extras. One because it was my birthday month. I got this Olaplex birthday set, and you know how I feel about Olaplex. I talked about it in my hair care video, and I will link that video down below. I also got this Kerastase hair oil, as well as a sample of Shani Darden's Retinol Reform. So inside the grab bag, I got the Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid, but I had also gotten the sample of the regular Flower Bomb in the Pick 2 samples. And then included was a sample of Rare Beauty's mascara. So what was so interesting is they had at Sephora the November kind of grab bags. Let me get the real name of it. It was called November Cyber Bag, and I got number 2, and all of this was free to me. I got the Oribe Signature Shampoo and Conditioner, as well as a Paula's Choice Super Boost Moisturizer. I also got a sample of Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, and I probably will gift this to someone. I own the fragrance, and I have a decant of it already. So this could be a little stocking stuffer or something that I could give to someone. And then I was so excited about this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I have microbladed eyebrows, and brow gel just helps keep my real eyebrows in place. So I was super hyped about getting even a sample of this. The next item was another number 3 from Olaplex, so I can never have enough of that. And this was also a really good one. This was a great size sample of NARS lipstick, and the color is Dragon Girl. And I'm into red lipstick. I wear it a lot, and this is just another beautiful red. A blue red. I really like this color. The consistency is a little different for me because this is more of a creamy consistency, but I think this will really be good in the winter time, when your lips are a little more dry. And then finally, there was a Lancome Idol mascara. And I was excited about this one as well. This one has a plastic applicator, which I kind of prefer the plastic applicators on mascara because it really helps to separate my lashes. So I was really happy to see this in the bag as well. So I got a lot of nice free products along with the 4 products that I ordered. I really am going to enjoy it this holiday season. Thanks for watching.